Hi, a very good evening. I'm Masharami, and this is Nikas, this is Noor, this is Atira, this is Aziza. Today we're going to discuss about a Nature Week. This year, Nature Week Society of our university will organizing a Nature Week. As we are the members of this society, we decided to discuss about the activity for this week for giving our best. First, I want to tell about you, Aziza. What is your suggestion for the activity for this coming Nature Week?
I'm suggest to organize a tree planting activity. The activity are very important because tree can provide oxygen. In 1 year, an acre of mature tree can provide enough oxygen for 18 people. Besides that, tree can clean the air. As we know, in our air there are many pollution gases such as nitrogen oxide and sulfur oxide. So, the tree can absorb the pollution gases and filter particulate out of the air by trapping them on their leaf and bark.
Oh, it's a nice and cool suggestion, Aziza. Thank you for the good idea. Okay, Nick, how about your suggestion for this coming Nature Week?
Okay, thank you, Marshall. I suggest that we should organize a trip to a national park for our nature week. The reason why I suggest this trip because for anticipating scenic views, watching wildlife, and many others experience nature while on the trip. We also could get a chance to do some multi-sport like hiking, mountain biking, and other adventures in national park. These all activities are good for our healthiness. The price to attend the national park also much more lower than other trips. For the food, we can bring our own food and pack along items such as nut, dry food, protein bars, or sandwich in a cooler that will not spoil or draw attention from the animal. For this trip, we could rent our school bus for the train station to go to the national park. So, thank you.
Oh, just a cool activities, Nick, but it need many expenses. By the way, thank you, Nick, for the ideas. Next, Atira, what is your suggestion activity for this Nature Week? I hope it's a good idea.
For Nature Week, we also can organize a camping trip to a forest reserve. This will help us to have a better environment and far away from city situation. Camping trip at forest reserve also can help us to know more about plants that we had never seen before. It is because most of the plants already died when the city develops. This camping also helps us to have some fresh air. It is because the value of oxygen in the forest are much better than the oxygen at the city. This thing also will help us to release our stress.
Wow, it's just cool, and I really love camping. Actually, thank you, Atira, for the cooperation. The last one is Ilmi. How about your suggestion for these coming activities?
Thank you, Marshall. I have three activities we can do during the second day. First, turn skilling into writing prompts. Okay, mix up your daily journal or writing activity by giving students those listening in Mountain Pro. They are available to download for free right here. You can print as many sheets as you need. It can help students writing about recycling in different ways. And two activities is add sharing lesson to your lesson plans. For these activities, what we can do, these downloadable lessons are done in the 5 lesson plan format, and they come with student worksheet to hand out too. You can get lesson for science, math, English, art, and more. And last, my activity during the second day is turn recycling into a game. What you can do, use a sticker, a chart, take photo, or just recognize student when you catch them recycling. Otherwise, collect recycled items until the container is full.
Wow, amazing idea, Ilmi.
Thank you.
It's a very suitable activity. Thank you, by the way. So the best activity for the upcoming week, I think, organize camping trip to a forest, because I think this can make a new experience for the student and can make feel more love about the environment. Okay, I have just decided the best activity for this nature week. I hope this activity will successfully for the university, and I will end our conversation to thank you all for the cooperation. Thank you guys.